My creation is ready!
This channel needs a new hero! Are you ready for the crafts battle? This is my mask. Sam, where did you go? Yeah, now I see why you needed my workshop.
Holy cannoli, Roger! When did you make that cool helmet?
Yeah, Sam's mask is nothing compared to yours. Roger, will you show us how to make it?
Sure, I'll show you. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool mask.
You should say hydraulic super mask of Optimus Prime, Roger.
Okay. Hydraulic mask of Super Optimus. I'm confused, Sammy. Think of a simpler name.
I'll think about it while cutting the other pieces.
We need to make these cardboard pieces more flexible. Now it's time to glue them together. Here comes the finishing touch.
I decided to monitor the process. What are you doing?
We're making the upper part of the mask. I'd better call it a helmet.
What is this box? Sue always tells what she's doing in detail.
Don't you trust me? This is a special piece. It'll help shape the helmet.
New technologies? Where did you get them?
From space, of course. By the way, Sammy, great job. Just in time.
I'm always in time, Roger. Besides, Sue didn't help me at all.
Really? Then why did she walk by with the cardboard in her hands?
Sure, cheddar Sue! No secrecy at all!
I don't mind if two great craftologists help me.
Actually, I need to get ready.
For what, Sammy? A Decepticon attack?
Yes, I've developed a plan, but I can't disclose it to you yet. What if you're a Decepticon too?
Everything is possible, Sammy. How do you think I came up with this cool mask?
Oopsie, I didn't expect danger to be so close.
I guess Sammy's a bit stressed. In the meantime, I made the base of the helmet. Let's make the last piece. It'll be covering the top of the head.
Roger, do you know any fun facts?
Depends on what you want to know.
Well, tell us something about helmets.
Did you see Vikings wearing horned helmets in pictures?
Sure, brutality.
So scientists believe it's a myth. Vikings didn't wear helmets at all. And horns would get in the way during battles. So no horns in my helmet either. Soon we'll get to the electric hydraulic mechanism.
Roger, what does electric hydraulic mean?
Sue told me you're impatient, but I didn't know it was that much.
It's just a thirst of knowledge. I'm a young growing slime.
Right. Did you notice this net? How do you like this decor?
I check. I love it. You're quick on the uptake, Roger.
Thanks, Sam. Here's what I was talking about. Electric pieces.
I know what it is. It's the lighting. A light-up mask.
Right you are. We need to glue LED pieces right here. Sammy, can you fetch the soldering iron? We'll need it soon.
No problem. Just don't make the electrical circuit without me.
Sam! I'm done with this part. Are you coming? Fine. I'll show you how to connect the wires. Ask an adult to help you with this step. Here we'll have a battery and a switch button. We'll solder them to the LED elements with the help of wires.
I'm here. What did I miss?
Nothing. I put the wires in their place. Now we just need to solder them.
Phew. Listen, I was thinking, you do know about design, but...
Let me guess. You know more? What did you come up with?
I think the mask needs a protective glass. I'll find one.
Great idea. Would you even cut it out?
Yeah, I'll ask Sue to help me. She likes cutting things.
Sue wanted to use her free time for studying. I guess her plans just failed. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up to our videos. Also hit the bell button to get notifications about new crafts.
You're doing great. No wonder Sue entrusted her place to you.
Thank you, Sammy. I appreciate it.
I cut some more cardboard pieces for you. I even bent them too.
Have you defeated your laziness?
I'm not lazy. I've got an important task to protect the world!
From whom?
Decepticons. I got it. I figured it all out.
That's a big statement. What's exactly your idea?
We need to cut off the power completely.
All right, but why? I lost the thread of your reasoning.
Don't you understand? Decepticons won't be able to charge and break down.
What if they're solar powered?
Holy cannoli! I didn't think of that. We need to cut off the power at night.
Sammy, the Decepticons made peace with the Autobots and went back to Cybertron long ago.
Do you believe they just left Earth? You're so naive, Roger. Or you're on their side. I always assumed that.
I remind you that our mechanism will be based on hydraulic principles. We'll use water and syringes to open the helmet. By the way, Archimedes was the first to think about the properties of liquids. He said his famous phrase, "Eureka," while taking a bath. The water was pushed out when he entered his bath. I set the main element of the mechanism, syringes. They'll push the shutters.
Roger, I think you lost several pieces of yours.
Are you trying to catch me, Sammy? These are not mine. These are our craft pieces. All my pieces are inside me.
Okay, Decepticon Roger. I'll pretend I believe you.
Fine. I need to finish the craft. Could you help me? I need to cut decor elements out of cardboard.
Say no more, decor and cardboard. It's a perfect task. Aha!
Now I'll need water. But be careful with cardboard. Water can damage it. Let's fill our system with water. This way it'll become hydraulic. We've set the tubes, which are the main element of the hydraulic system. Water will move through them and push the pistons of the syringes.
I'm the bad guy.
Sammy, wow! The real Decepticon is you! You tricked me!
Holy cannoli, Roger, I didn't. I just made all the pieces and decided to dance.
Okay, let's continue. By the way, I don't trust you, Decepticon.
No, Roger, I'm a slime, not a Decepticon.
I don't know. I saw a Decepticon. Slime Sam is usually busy doing crafts. Now you need to prove that you're my friend, and you weren't replaced by robots.
Look, I'm cutting cardboard. I'm very busy with the craft.
Sounds rather convincing, but I'm still not sure.
You asked for it. Here comes the king of decor magic. Magicus Decoraticus. Roger, open it. Well, how do you like the fire?
Wow, it's really awesome, Sam.
Let's not all. Take these super glasses.
All right. This blue color matches the decor. Yeah, Sam, you're not a Decepticon, for sure.
By the way, Sue reminded me to remind you that you remind,
Sam, get to the point.
So, guys, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. A craft to every home.
Look, Sam, I know craft magic too. See? Actually, I know several styles. Ready to see more? Watch this.
Did you hear that? I think we're under attack.
Sam, you're in the way.
I'll save you, Roger.
I think I missed something. What are you gonna save me from?
From the Decepticons. Didn't you hear their screeching?
Nope. But it sounds like your enemies didn't grease the mechanisms. This means you'll easily defeat them, while I'm finishing the craft.
It's a bit strange, you know? I thought the Decepticon case was solved.
I thought so too, Sammy. Why are you so worried again?
I distinctly heard the sounds of robots. Interesting.
I finished everything. Check out how awesome it is.
Susie, try our cool helmet on quick.
All right, I can say bye to my hairdo, but that's no biggie.
Be careful. Sue, are you ready for the Transformer fashion show?
Yeah, it's so cool. Let's see how it works.
Shiver me shudders, you were pretending to be a Decepticon all this time?
Yeah, it was fun watching you search for them all around.
Roger, I'll never forgive this prank of yours. Well, I can try for 5,000 thumbs ups. Bye-bye, guys.